What's up, guys? Michael Edward here, head trader at True Trading Group. It is July 13th, and we are starting the week off fantastic. Two big time wins, two swing trades, two huge wins. I want to update you guys on a Beyond Meat swing trade that I entered last week. If you missed my video, go back, check it out. I posted it on Friday. It is a head and shoulders pattern on Beyond Meat, and we absolutely are killing this trade right now. Took my first piece of profits off the table, still holding on to the bulk of the short position. I also entered some Tesla put options, got paid on them huge today, and I'm holding some of that overnight as well. Really excited to share with you guys these lessons and these trade recaps. These are two really big trades on two super high flyers, Tesla, Beyond Meat, two cult following type stocks, two high volatility names, and we absolutely crushed these trades. So I want to share with you the updates on them. Again, if you missed my video from Friday, go back, check it out. It says new swing trade analysis on a head and shoulders pattern in Beyond Meat. That gives you guys the trade set up when I entered it on Friday. Check that video out. I'm going to give you guys the update today, and I'm going to talk to you guys about the Tesla trade and tell you what I expect to have happen in Tesla. But I've already taken the bulk of that position off the table today, intraday, and I'm holding on to one last piece of that position, okay, overnight, that I plan on holding for maybe another 1 or 2 days. So let's get right into it, guys. I want to dive in. Before I dive into these trade setups, I need to remind each and every single one of you that if you click on the link in the description below, you will have the opportunity to get a 36% discount on a 1-year all-inclusive membership to True Trading Group that will allow you to be in chat with me during the day and get all of my trade alerts and be able to enter these trades and follow these swing trades with me. Okay, if you guys are part of True Trading Group, you could have got into Beyond Meat on Friday, capitalized on this move. If you were in True Trading, you could have got in on Tesla at put options at $60 a contract. We were taking profits off at $115 a contract, and I'm still in some of that trade. You guys are going to want to use the coupon code TTG720 before our prices go up in August. I'm telling you now, prices going up in August. So click on the link in the description below, use coupon code TTG720 so you guys can start profiting on these trades with me live instead of just hearing about them on my YouTube channel after the fact. Be in chat with me, get the trade alerts in real time when they happen. All right. Now, moving forward, let's recap the Beyond Meat trade first, because this is the trade setup that I initially entered on Friday. I'm going to take you guys to a daily chart. I want to pan this out. Okay, I want to pan this out for you guys and show you the head and shoulders pattern that is triggering here today. First thing that you will notice is that we found resistance at the same area we found resistance back in August and September of 2019, coming off of an uptrend. Head and shoulders, you want to see form at the top of an uptrend. Okay, head and shoulders are trend reversal patterns. They signal a stock is running out of steam, it's getting tired, and the trend is about to shift. So here's your uptrend right into a resistance area. And as I zoom this in, you'll see left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and there's your neckline. Okay, there's your neckline. Okay, and on Friday, I entered this trade short looking for us to go all the way down and test that initial gap entry point down around 110. This is my swing trade that I put on Friday. Let me go to the intraday chart. I'll show you guys the entry on Friday. Right there is where I shorted Beyond Meat. Okay, I actually shorted the stock itself. I did not buy put options, but a lot of TTG members bought put options. Some bought the 132 strikes, some bought the 130s, some bought the 125 strikes, and we were all banking big time on this trade. I'm short the stock itself. So when I take you guys back to my trade alerts here on the day, you'll see here at 10 a.m., I took some profit, covered Beyond Meat at 128.07 from the entry on Friday, and I'm still holding some. Okay, so right here was my first take profit. There's the entry short. There's your first take profit. Now here we are, new lows. And my next take profit, let me go out to the daily chart and show you guys my next take profit is going to be this pivot low right here around $117. Okay, that is going to be my next take profit. I'm looking for Beyond Meat to now work its way down into that region. That's where I will take the bulk of my position off the table. But I already locked in some profits, and we are so far looking really nice. There is your break of the neckline, guys. There it is. There's your neckline break, and I'm expecting over the next couple of days Beyond Meat to work its way down below $120 a share. Okay, So again, if you missed this video, I posted it on Friday. Go back and check out this video when I initially entered the trade so you guys can see the analysis from Friday, okay? But this is the update on that trade. Congratulations to those of you that followed along, that entered this trade with me on Friday. Head and shoulders pattern working out beautifully. Well done, okay? Then we're going to get over to Tesla. What I want to point out to you guys with Tesla was today we had what I call a gap, an exhaustion gap. Okay, this is an exhaustion gap on Tesla. Early this morning, Tesla had a monster breakout day yesterday. Okay, this was a monster move yesterday, and then we had a huge gap up today. The stock has gone completely parabolic, and a good way to tell when momentum is shifting is looking for exhaustion gaps. This was an exhaustion gap, and I said early today to members in TTG, guys, we have the chance of putting in an exhaustion gap today on Tesla. If we break the low of the day, I think Tesla pulls back in and ends up going red. Look for put options. That's what we talked about early in the morning. I did not buy put options until in the afternoon once we pulled in and we tested the low of the day. There's your low of the day. Here was our test of the low of the day. We had this little bounce, and right there, I went ahead and I bought Tesla put options. I'll take you guys to my trade alerts. You can see at 1:13 p.m., I bought the 1600 strike, Friday's expiration put, at $60 a contract. They were extremely expensive, and I was going to stop out of Tesla if the put options, if Tesla got back over VWAP. Okay, right there was my stop loss. You can see we never reached. We rolled over, broke the lows of the day. Once we broke the low of the day, I took my first profit off the table. You can see I took some profit. I sold some at $84. Back to the alerts, we drove down. My next day profit was to go green to red on the day and test yesterday's close to fill the gap. This week we filled the gap, and that was my next take profit, and that put those contracts at $115 a share from that $60 entry point, and I still have a piece of this position, and I'm looking to hold this down now to see if Tesla can get all the way down to 1420, 1425. This will be my last and final take profit on those put options. We will see if I get that follow through and that move to the downside. The key that I want you to take away from this trade, guys, honestly, is how to short backside weakness rather than front side strength. You don't want to short a stock while it's moving higher. Okay, when a stock is in a squeeze mode or has just tremendous momentum to the upside, that is not the time that you want to step in front and try to short that stock. Wait for the backside weakness, wait for the shift in momentum, wait for the crack. Okay, and that's exactly what we waited for. The stock was on its way down. We double bottomed off that low, and then this is what I call an exhaustion gap. If you've never heard of an exhaustion gap, don't worry. This is something you will learn as a member of True Trading Group. If you're not familiar with a head and shoulders pattern, that is something else that you will learn as a member in True Trading Group. So what you guys are going to want to do is click on the link in the description below. Use the coupon code TTG720. That's going to get you a 36% discount. It's also going to get you my entire course curriculum included for free. All the same information and education I learned working at a hedge fund in New York City, that is what you will get in those courses, and they're all included for free with your membership. Okay, take advantage before the prices go up in August, and I will see you guys in chat. Tomorrow's TTG Tuesday. The chat room is open for free for everyone. Go to TrueTradingGroup.com. Upper right-hand corner, click on TTG Tuesday. Fill out the form. That'll give you a link that'll give you access to our chat room for free for the whole day. Chat room opens at around 7:30 a.m. Eastern, closes at around 5:30 p.m. Eastern. You guys can come in and trade with me live for the whole day for free. Okay, that's TTG Tuesday, and that is tomorrow. All right, guys. Take care, everybody. Have a great night, and I will see you guys all in chat tomorrow, and I will update you on the rest of these two trades. But I'm holding Tesla puts overnight, and I'm holding Beyond Meat short overnight. Two swing trades, killing them both right now. Congratulations to those that capitalized on these moves. I'll see you guys in chat tomorrow. Later, guys.